Construction sites can be undeniably busy and loud most of the time. This is why signals such as hand signs, flashing lights, flags, or other signaling items allow workers to communicate with each other without talking. The proper use of signals in construction sites can prevent potential accidents and keep workers and the worksite safe. But this task is not easy at all, as Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, requires that anyone assigned as a signal person must meet certain experiences, training, and be evaluated by a skilled individual. There are different types of signalers. We have the flagger, spotter, and the crane and hoist signal person. Each type has a particular responsibility. Flagger, also known as flagman, traffic controller, or traffic guard. Flaggers serve as temporary traffic control personnel that saves motorists from unintentionally passing through a work area. They do not just focus on the traffic flow, but also on the movements of their colleagues and on-site equipment. Flagmen shall wear red or orange warning clothing while flagging, and it is the employer's job to provide them with the right garment. Warning garments worn at night must be reflective material. Safety practices for this job. Wear visible and proper clothing. Stay alert and focused. Avoid being distracted. Make sure that you have the right hand signal. And don't stand in an area that could hit you. You'll see the different hand signals of a flagman. To stop the traffic, show the stop paddle. When the approaching vehicle has almost stopped, use free hand to signal stop. To slow traffic, display the slow paddle. Move your free hand with the palm facing down in up and down motion. To move traffic slowly, display the slow paddle, then advance traffic by rotating your lower arm in an elliptical way. Keep in mind that you must always use a traffic control light at night. The second signaler that we will get to know is what we call the spotter. Spotters are sometimes called observers or guides. They need to learn hand signals for nonverbal communication. For example, they must know how to signal commands like back up, slow down, move forward, stop, and more. The safety practices for spotters are as follows. Spotters must agree on the hand signals before any spotting activities with the equipment operator. Always position yourself where the operator can see you at all times. Proper checking of the work area must always consider being able to avoid any hazards. Make sure that the area is clear and wear proper PPE. To signal stop, raise one or both of your hands that's either closed into fists or held palm forward. To tell a driver to slow down, a spotter typically holds the right arm out at the elbow with hand held flat and palm down, and moves the hand up and down. Holding both hands a particular distance apart with palms facing inward is an accepted way of showing how much further a vehicle can back up before it will hit an object. The usual signal to tell a driver to keep moving the vehicle is to raise an arm with a bent elbow and repeatedly draw the top part of the arm and hand in a motion away from a vehicle. To signal a driver to move to the right, a spotter typically extends the arm straight with a finger pointed to the right, while using the other arm to signal that the vehicle must continue to back up. Extend your arm straight with a finger pointing to the left, while using the other arm to signal that the driver must continue to back up is an accepted signal for moving to the left. The third and last signaler is the crane and hoist signal person. Construction cranes are used to move heavy objects in different places, and without them, building skyscrapers would be impossible. As risky as it is, using cranes in construction sites require proper coordination between the crane operator and the signaler to ensure the safety of everyone present on the job site. And of course, this type of job needs the following safety practices as well. Never forget to wear the right PPE for the job. Display the relevant hand signals. Don't let anyone be inside the crane's operating area. And have a clear vision of the load and the equipment. Here are the different hand signals for crane operation. Stop. Emergency stop. Hoist. Raise boom. Swing. Retract telescoping boom. Raise the boom and lower the load. Dog everything. Lower. Lower boom. Extend telescoping boom. Travel OT tower travel. That's it. That's how valuable signalers are. They have a risky job, but if they properly do it, the workflow will be smooth and everyone will be safe.